The question is media really trying to address the issues that affect us? Media, being the fourth pillar of democracy, keeps us all updated with each and every news. Recent Ram Mandir Bhumi Pujan is the perfect example as to how hard the media tries and stays on their toes to give us each minute's detail. Not just a day prior, but a week before, we are the eyewitness as to how media went insane with each detail related to Bhumi Pujan, Modi's arrival, or as to how many guests were going to attend the Bhumi Pujan. But don't worry, I'm not going to talk about Bhumi Pujan or what happened in Ayodhya. Instead, the question is media really trying to address the issues that affect us? Forget about covering or reporting more, but I think there are issues that the media should cover or report with the same amount of enthusiasm, potential, or interest as they covered the event of Bhumi Pujan. So here I have three major issues that affect us, the general public, but the media neglected it. First one is job crisis. So tell me, when was the last time we saw a debate on any media house or any news channel discussing about this topic? And by debate, I mean a proper discussion and not shouting at each other unnecessarily. Forget about the post-COVID situation. Even before COVID, India was witnessing unemployment rate high to 7.1% or even higher than that. And after COVID and after pandemic happened, we all know that COVID made it even more worse. So tell me, when was the last time we saw any journalist asking the government about this topic? The second major topic is EIA 2020 draft. There are protests all across the country by students against the new EIA 2020 draft. Just to decode the 2020 EIA draft for you all, the government is trying to give a free hand to dangerous factories like mining and construction, which in turn will allow them to cut forests in the name of development. So tell me, don't you think these students' voice needs to be heard? Or is it like environment is not a very interesting topic for the media houses? So the third major issue, that is abrogation of Article 370 on Jammu and Kashmir. Just so you all know, besides Bhumi Pujan on August 5, abrogation of Article 370 on Jammu and Kashmir completed 1 year. And just to add up to your knowledge, since August 5, trade and business in Jammu and Kashmir has suffered a loss of 40,000 crores. Education has come to a standstill since schools and universities were barely functional for 100 days. The limiting of networks to 2G has made it impossible for online classes to take place effectively. These are the three major issues that affects us. Regardless of your faith or interest in Ram Mandir or not, the media should ask the government about these issues. The media houses should discuss about these issues. Because praising government's move is fine, but not covering or sidelining all the other issues in the name or at the cost of one or covering one issue is not at all acceptable. If the scary issues like Assam floods, Section 370, health sector crisis, job sectors crisis, or EIA draft 2020 does not haunt you, I don't know what else will. We all have heard the concept of selective outrage, but I think selective journalism is also a thing we are witnessing now.